Okay, in this video, we're going to look at our XML transformer application and how we can test it with rate testing for that application. Let's look at the application first. It's got a lot of features. I will make a separate video for this one, but the time being, once you landed on this one, you get a you have this part is XML. This is your XSLT. And you can translate it, transform it into in HTML. In this case, a profile, a package definition on the left side is transformed into an HTML like this using this XSLT. You can also see this entire thing in a new tab. It looks like this. How about we can do it for a profile? Okay, in the profiles are coming here, and you can again see it in an. So it gives section wise what is that profile contains. You can always jump back to the here object permissions and all the stuff. It also shows alphabetical order and how many are repeated. So if suppose it has got some duplicates, it will be shown here. So let's focus on our main theme of this video. We want to write um, test script using Playwright in VS Code. Let's go to VS Code. Here, we have a record a new. I'm going to use this feature. It's called, basically it is calling Playwright code gen. I'm going to, it'll come and let me get the URL for this application. And I'm going here, putting here, and you can see it came here. Let's do a simple test of when I say profile pre, bringing all the profiles. I want to make sure that using Playwright, I want to see this button has got transform as a text. It's just a hello world kind of an application for Playwright, but it explains the concepts. So let's head over to VS Code. Here it has recorded what all I have done. And we can stop recording here by canceling it. Here I want to, right now we only use, have recorded operations, right? It goes to the URL and clicking buttons, etc., etc. But instead of that, I want to have an expect, like I can say expect on this page. Since I don't know what is the locator, Playwright locator, I can easily find it out with this particular option in the VS Code, and I can go and click here. It'll when you go back, it'll give you that option here. This is a very beautiful feature written by Playwright team for the VS Code extension. So now you can just put it here. So get by role the button. The name of the button is transform. Just for you know a simple test, we can say to text. Uh, Let me see text. To have a text, I could say it is transform. So it is confirming expected value for the text in the button is will be transformed. So this is the one test. You can do multiple tests, one after another, but just to prove the concept, let us run this test. If it, let's say this one, and this is a test one, just run it. So it's already done that. It went there and checked, and it passed. Suppose instead of transform, I put something else, say transform 2, and run the test, it should fail. It will say expected value is transform, but you're given transform. So expected string is 2, but received is transform, and it gives you a nice call log how it landed here. Let's fix it back and do it, transform, save it, run it again. So using these concepts, you can build a complete end-to-end testing. Sometimes in big applications like Salesforce application, you may be doing 200 test cases. I just explained one, so you may be. So it's very easy to do once how Playwright records and how you can write the expect functions. In this case, I just wanted to check this particular the button has got the transform as the text. So hope this video is useful to bootstrap your end-to-end testing with Playwright.